Lubrication management can be key in most facilities to prevent the effects of incorrect oil top-ups and the subsequent effects on machinery. In the case of this Decanter centrifuge bearing reservoir, there's ample evidence from the oil analysis results of repeated top-ups with ISO 46 circulating oil, with an ISO 220 extreme pressure gear oil. In fact, the machine is in close proximity to the Decanter gearbox, so it's somewhat safe to assume from the oil analysis results that the EP gear oil is being added to the bearing reservoir at regular intervals. We suspect oil mixing because the oil analysis results show a sudden increase in both viscosity and additive levels such as phosphorus and sulfur, which are consistent with a significant top-up of gear oil. You can also see that the acid number level rises in subsequent samples over the next year. Somewhat delayed, but also evident, is an increase in copper level in the months following the suspected top-up with the gear oil. This fits our assumption, as the extreme pressure additive present in the gear oil is exceptionally corrosive to copper-containing bronze and brass components that are present in the centrifuge bearing. Training is key to preventing top-ups using improper oils. The reliability group would not likely suspect that an oiler would add gear oil to a bearing reservoir. And in fact, often the case is simply that the oiler does not understand the consequences of using an improper oil in any given application. Likely, the oiler is doing this unintentionally and is of the mind that oil is oil, and well, if the machine oil level is low, and gear oil is what I have on hand, then that will do its job. It's important to take action when your oil analysis results show mixing of incompatible oils in any of your machine reservoirs. A bit of training would have prevented what the oil analysis shows are at least 2 more subsequent top-ups with gear oil over the next few years. Remember, it's important to review your oil analysis program at regular intervals and take action to solve root cause problems, such as improper mixing of lubricants.